today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge cells in a Confluence table. Whether you're organizing data, building project plans, or tracking information, merging cells can help make your tables clearer and easier to read. To get started, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you normally use. From there, go to Confluence and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up and continue once you're logged in. After signing in, navigate to the Confluence page that contains the table you want to edit. Click the Edit button to put the page into edit mode so you can make changes. Once you are in edit mode, click and drag your cursor across the cells you want to merge. You can select cells in the same row or across multiple rows and columns depending on how you want the table to look. After selecting the cells, look for the cell options icon, usually shown as a small down arrow in the top right corner of one of the selected cells. Click this icon to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Merge Cells. The selected cells will instantly combine into a single cell. This feature is especially useful for creating table headers, grouping related information, or improving the overall layout of your table. Once you've finished, click Publish to save your changes. And that's it. You now know how to merge cells in a Confluence table to create cleaner and more organized layouts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful Confluence tips and tech guides like this.